Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about vitamins. Alrighty, but before we jump right into that, if you're new here, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below and then ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these cool videos I'm trying to put out here to help you get prepared. All right, vitamins. Vitamins is one of the things that can and can't be stored a long time. You have to look at different types of vitamins. Some of them store real well, some of them don't. And so you need to pick out those that have the longest shelf life that you can store and start adding them to your preps for long-term storage. There are certain ones that are out there that are made to be stored long-term. They cost a little bit more, but they're made in the US most likely, and they are designed, structured to take the long-term storage. Some of them vitamins out there, you'll look on the package and it says, oh, you got 500 vitamins in here and it's good for, holy mackerel, I got it, this is going to expire, or best use by date is is a year out, and I'm going to have to be having someone else taking these vitamins as well. That's one of the things you got to look for on it is expiration date or best use by date. Expiration date and best use by date are two different dates. Sometimes they'll have one or they'll have the other. Very rarely do you see one with both. Now, the reason why is the expiration date is don't use it after this date. Best use by date is it is still fully powerful up until that date. After that date, it can start losing some of it. The vitamins can start losing some of their potency. Or if it's food, it'll start to lose some of its flavor. So that's what best use by date is, not expiration date. So if you see a date on there, see if it says best use by, it's a best use by. It's not an expiration date. So on your vitamins, you want to make sure you want to have the best use by date as far out as possible. Expiration date, way out there. You want that. But you need to do the research yourself and talk to your doctors. Sometimes they find out in their newsletters and stuff which ones are the ones that are good for a long time. And of course, you can always Google search it, or we'll use one of the other search engines to try to find which vitamins have the longest shelf life. All righty. As always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep on prepping, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.